M Chocolate Cactus Garden is located at 2 Cactus Garden Drive, Henderson, Nevada 89014. Ethel M. Chocolate's breathtaking botanical cactus garden is Nevada's largest and one of the world's most prolific collections of its kind. Over 300 species of desert plants can be found here. It is especially enchanting during the holiday season. Stroll around the mesmerizing oasis when the garden transforms into a magical holiday cactus garden, adorned with captivating lights and festive displays.
This is the ocotillo. In Spanish, it is ocotillo. This is the bojum tree. This is the Eve's needle. This is the Nevada ephedra. This is the saguaro skeleton. The saguaro skeleton is a rare and beautiful sight that is usually the last surviving entity of the mighty saguaro cactus. Due to their unique look and rare occurrence, people have a fond appreciation of the saguaro skeleton and seek it out as a unique part of their household decor. This is the golden barrel cactus. This is the Texas mountain laurel. This is the Joshua tree. This is the brittle bush. The brittle bush is a member of the sunflower family, and its flowers resembles the sunflower only in miniature form. It has had many uses in the past. The stems of the brittle bush secretes a clear resin which was used by Native Americans as a glue and also as a gum. Ground up, it was used by Surrey Indians of Mexico as a toothpaste. It can also relieve pain. This is the twisted acacia. The twisted acacia is a mature branching structure that has a striking twisting pattern within the tree canopy. Honey made by bees using the acacia flower as forage is considered a delicacy. Acacia honey is one of the few honeys which does not crystallize.